It's 2 in the morning. Marcus watches the Eurodollar spike on a surprise inflation print, hits buy, and expects to get filled right where he clicked. His platform fills him 40 pips higher. In seconds, before he's even placed a stop, he's already underwater on a trade he hasn't had a chance to manage yet. That's not bad luck. That's a market order doing exactly what it's built to do, execute right now, at whatever price the market hands you, with zero promise on where that price lands. Every trader eventually has their own version of Marcus's 2 a.m. moment. So before we go anywhere else, we need to talk about the actual instruction you send your broker every time you click a button, because that instruction is called an order, and there's more than one kind. Look at what actually happened on his screen. Price gapping upward, his click landing in the middle of that move, and the fill printing well above where he expected. Nothing broke. No glitch, no scam, just speed without control. And that's the whole tension, sitting underneath every order type you'll ever place. How much control over price are you willing to trade away for how much certainty of getting filled? To answer that, you first need to know there are really only 2 families of instructions you can send your broker. An order is simply the instruction you send your broker to open or close a trade. Every single one splits into 2 families. A market order says, do it now, at whatever price is available. A pending order says, wait, only act once price reaches a level 1 choose. Marcus's mistake wasn't using a market order. Sometimes you genuinely need to get in immediately. His mistake was not knowing the other family existed, market or pending. That's the whole first decision. Now let's open the instant side first, because that's exactly what caught him. A market order buys or sells IMM. Remember, context beats the pattern. The stop is what saves you, and nothing replaces practice on a live chart.